A nice hike to falls. Large, beautiful, cold falls. I was able to swim in it. Our guide Hiro was wonderful, very attentive with great information. Our driver Robinson was a great driver. Both were enjoyable to spend time with. Embark on an unforgettable adventure to Cascada El Limón, one of the Dominican Republic's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. Hidden in the verdant mountains of the Samaná Peninsula, this magnificent waterfall plunges over 50 meters, 170 feet, into a pristine, crystal-clear pool below. Your journey begins with transportation from Samaná to Rancho Limón, the starting point of your trek. From there, you'll explore scenic tropical trails on foot, surrounded by lush vegetation and the vibrant sounds of the jungle. Upon reaching the waterfall, revel in its breathtaking beauty, swim in the refreshing waters, or simply relax and soak in the tranquil atmosphere. Whether capturing incredible photos or unwinding in nature, this experience is sure to be unforgettable. With convenient transportation included, this excursion perfectly blends adventure and relaxation, allowing you to fully enjoy your visit to this iconic destination.